How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device, and now if you have restricted someone on Messenger, then you will not see their name pop in front of your screen or in the chat section. So if you want to unrestrict them, simply tap on the search bar there and then go ahead and enter the full name there. You will then be able to see their profile, so tap on that and you will see the unrestrict option at the bottom. So tap on the unrestrict option you see there, and with this, that particular account will be unrestricted. So this is how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.